high. I'm gonna be chased by a wild chicken, and I have no idea where it's at right now. Follow me. We're on a hunt to try to kill the chicken. Do you see it? Is it in there? Tell me! Is the chicken in there? Okay, jump. Oh my god. Is it? No. Is it in the washer? Nope. Is it in the cup? No chicken. Holy shit! The bathroom. This scares me. This really does scare me. I'm scared. Nope. Yeah, you done did it. Yeah, it's not the best hair though. Just woke up. You know. Have you seen the chicken?
No.
Have you seen the wild
He went that
chicken?
way.
That way. Dun, 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 dun. I am not kidding. I am ready to blow him, you asshole. Are you down there? Nope. The lamp of death. Now it's the broken lamp of death. The broken lamp of death. Dun, dun. We broke it. Lamp of death is dead. She's still it. One. It's number one. Where's the chicken? Where's the chicken? Chicken. Is the chicken in there? No. He's not in our idea box. There's the chicken in the tissue box. Nope. Hi. There's no chicken. I'm just making all of this up. There's no. Oh my god! Chicken! There's the chicken! There's the chicken! He's right there! He's right there!
Why are you looking at me?
I'm not. The chicken is deadly. The chicken can devour 27 pork sandwiches in only 20 minutes. Chicken. He has the power to disappear. Just like that. That's crazy. It's just like, chicken! Stay tuned.